Welcome to Cracking the Code with Walker. Learn to spot and prevent emissions control issues. In this video, we're tackling catalytic converter failure due to cracked monolith.
A very common type of failure, observed mainly in cars that used to park over the pedestrian areas, drive over parking ramps with a high inclination angle, or drive fast over high-speed limiters, is the cracked monolith due to impacts received over the monolith housing. It is important to remember that due to the fact that more than 86% of the catalytic converters are built with a ceramic core, any impact capable of leaving a permanent scratch of more than 1 millimeter deep and 1 millimeter thick on the metal of the catalyst housing is capable of fracturing the interior of the monolith. This issue will leave the catalytic converter totally useless. These types of scratches are generally caused by strong impacts of the catalytic converter housing when the vehicle drives over parking ramps or drives fast over high-speed limiter bumps, commonly known as sleeping policemen. Therefore, it is easy to understand, as in the previous cases, that these types of claims can never be considered as manufacturing warranties.
I hope you have enjoyed this video and that it has helped you to have a better understanding of the possible claims related to those important products. Thank you, and see you in next episodes of Cracking the Code of Emissions Control Customer Claims with Walker.